I got many requests from the players from all around the world how to find the perfect sighting position for the individual player. And this is what I'm dealing with my online and offline students. And in this specific video, I will show you exactly how to do to achieve a perfect sighting for you. To find your perfect sighting position, you need to set a straight shot, put any object ball on the blue ball spot, put cue ball totally straight, and make sure that you cover left and right side of the middle pocket, so you could see totally only centers of the center pocket. Why? Because then you need to set perfectly back part of the cue on line. So this is the first part. So you need to set totally straight object ball with the cue ball, back part of the cue on line. So back part of the cue is this part, yeah? And in this case, everything is on one line, like here. You need to make sure that your Q-tip is aiming to the center part of the cue ball as your head is high. So this is first two steps, back part of the cue on line, and Q-tip as close as possible to the cue ball with the center cue ball aiming. My head is high right now. Now I'm going to use third step, and I'm going to gradually drop my head and chin to the cue. So as you can see from your perspective, I'm aiming slightly on my left eye. That's how it looks like from the video angle. And I see a perfect tunnel vision with the object ball that both balls are covering each other, and I don't see any left or right side of the red ball, object ball. So now, if I use those three steps correctly, I should get a perfect sighting position. Sometimes player is not using correct chin positioning, and this is what's happening. So if I'm holding, for me, to incorrect spot, so now I'm going to move my head slightly to the left, and I'm going to hold my cue slightly on the right chin. And now I see different view. Looks like I'm offline. Looks like I'm missing the red to the left, meaning that I'm aiming to the right side of the object ball, and I see the left part of the object ball, red ball, and I feel that I'm offline. In this case, if I'm with my right hand. Now, if I move my head to the another extreme, it's even more comfortable. Now it feels like I'm missing the object ball to the right, and I see the right part of the object ball. No good. So now I'm going to back to my original one. So for me, this position, slightly to the left, so from my nose, slightly on the left side, so almost center, but to the left, so I'm slightly left eye dominant player, yeah? I see a perfect vision. I have a perfect vision, perfect sighting, and I feel that I'm going to put this ball to the center part of the center pocket, which happened. So in my specific case, and this is what you can do, it could be more to the left, more to the right. It's totally okay to be extreme to the right if you have a perfect tunnel vision, like Anthony McGill is more extreme right, Stephen Hendry, legendary players, right eye dominant player, and players like Gary Wilson or Jamie Jones are aiming more like that. This is how they see the perfect line, and everything is fine with that until you see a perfect vision with cue ball and object ball. Everybody is different on this specific case. My junior students, two brothers, same family, one is more right, another is more left. It's totally fine. I'm going to give you another example so you could see that if I'm going to use my left hand, it's still going to be left eye dominance, slightly to the left, but I'm going to play with my left hand this time. Again, repeating the same steps, back part of the cue on line. I'm aiming with Q-tip as close as possible to the cue ball, center part of the cue ball, and first step dropping gradually to the cue. And here I see a perfect line, cue ball with the object ball together covering each other. So again, I will repeat the process. If I move my head to the left, I see that I'm missing that ball, red ball to the left, and here to the right. Now I see totally straight again. slight on my left shin, and I feel that I'm gonna hit this ball to the center part of the center pocket. Now I'm gonna play the shot. Miss to the right. Probably it was my cue action. I will repeat the shot. Maybe I'm gonna have to work on it. I'm not left-handed, but 1, 2. Anyways, like it looked like that cue was a little bit off, so this is a great training for you. I need to hit this ball to the center part of the center pocket, so I'm gonna hit, you see? Straight, straight, okay. Back part of the cue on line, Q-tip to the center. Now it's different view. Got different result. Not perfect, but it's a little bit better. So, by using this method, by putting your back part of the cue online, by putting your Q-tip to the center of the cue ball, by making sure that by moving your head to the left to right, you're gonna find your perfect sighting position, and your aiming and your potting is gonna be much better. And this is what I do in my coaching with all age group students from 8 years old to up to 78. We work with the facts because facts allows you to find your perfect way to use your technique on aiming, on technique, on game knowledge to play your best snooker. So guys, if you like the video, make sure to comment, subscribe it if you are new. Also, you can comment below the video because your request helps me to grow the channel, make more videos, which is beneficial for you. And I can't wait to answer all the questions which you're gonna ask me. You can challenge me as well. I'm up to challenge. So, see you next time. Until soon, take care.